we are going to go pick up some wheels. They look clean. Wow. He brought us water. He brought water. He's so nice. Shoot. Hey, baby girl. I haven't seen you in a while.
Me too, bro.
Are you ready to pick up your wheels?
Yeah, sure.
Alright guys, we finally picked up the wheels. I'm not going to show you yet, but
Yes,
how much you spent?
$275.
Oh, he wanted $275?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Cause he that was like, he wouldn't go up. But it is fine.
I just dropped off Toby so he can pick up his tools and stuff so we can put his wheels on. Since only 2 work, we're only going to do the front 2 for his car, but we're going to Dom's house right now, so I'll show you the wheels there. The wheels that we got were these. This is what they look like. They're painted over. I think they're chrome. But yeah, we're gonna use paint stripper to strip all this paint because it looks terrible. Like you see here, it's been painted, but it don't feel too flat. It should be good. We don't have a real jack, and I don't want to go all the way back home, so we're just gonna use this, and we're gonna fight through it, I guess.
Hold on, baby. What are we doing today? What are we doing today, boys?
Switching his wheels.
That's what we're doing today.
Yes, sir. About to get my Crocs all wet.
Yup, I ain't got no socks on. Bye-bye, tire. Get out of here. I love the new tire.
Oh, Toby wants to go higher. I'll make these wheels are the same size. Yup. Is it not the same?
Nope. You kidding me?
Just over it, though.
Yeah.
Oh, that dude said, this for this car?
It's for another one exactly like it.
Houston, we have a problem.
Hey.
What's the problem, Houston? Wait, I'm
You
Houston.
missing the lug nut?
The lug nuts are too small, or they're too thick for
Really?
the holes.
Oh no.
Houston, how do we fix this problem?
I mean, it still work. Get a little.
No.
It's just. You know?
It's because these come out like that. Damn.
Huh?
The Yeezys don't fit.
Alright. Toby, how do you feel about this situation?
I think we can just get bigger lug nuts.
Yeah.
Just by skinnier ones.
Yep. Alright. Main tag. The OG tag. What we're doing here, Tim?
Oh, it changed too.
That's fine.
Yes, a radio.
I was getting cinematics of the
Cinematics?
car.
As I said, the matter.
That's pretty good. I got like. Hey, more is always better than less. Huh?
Watch this.
You're killing it! Look at that.
No cup.
It looks better without the acura.
No cap. Acura.
Doesn't it?
Ah,
I kind of like it like that.
I like it like that.
I've always thought the fuck is on.
Not gonna lie. I know, Acura. Dude, your car is so beautiful.
I wish it was similar. We have been close.
It's okay. Hey, okay, never mind. You know what? We'll get enough money one day and then we'll get your new car. Dang! check on what
I was doing. While they're working on their cars, I'm doing something productive. Something that means something to the world.
And I'm painting the treehouse back here. I'm just tagging it, really. The Kanashi wizard. And then we got a little monster, as you can see it. I tried to draw Among Us, but it wouldn't work. So, I don't know. I'm trying to make it look cool. I drew these smiley faces everywhere that I kind of like the look of. Hopefully Taya will look into some merch with that. I just drew something random here. I'm not sure what that's supposed to be, but squiggly. I just was tagging shit. Look, yeah, look at this. It looks foul, but I just promised it was just little T and big T. Taya will get that one. Try to write Kanashi over here. It somewhat looks like Kanashi, but it's too bad. But the one that I drew out here, this one's pretty good. I might continue with the palette work. And something like this. Let me get this out the way. What? Oh. Look! You wanna why he's wearing this? Because the car is fire! Fire! Fire alert! Oh look, we got Venom in a bucket.
Alright, now all you gotta do is jack the car back up, take the jack stand out, and then just drop it.
And then we cool, right? You're cool, baby. Where?
Over there, you see a black spot.
I didn't quite finish with that one. What don't he like, Toby?
Huh?
What don't he like, Toby?
This is hard work, bro.
That's why I'm not doing it. Dang! Whoa. Big old dookie puddle. It looked like a dookie.
Getting in my socks.
Only has one.
Yeah, you're wearing Crocs, buddy.
Oh, fuck, it's in my socks.
Those are my Crocs now. Those are mine. Oh.
What? I'm sorry, dog.
Cool.
I'll wash them.
Dang, big old booty. My fault. Okay. Spray that green, boy. No, still no pillow.
I need degreaser for that.
For what? For that?
Yeah, that's like all the black stuff on there.
That,
all like oil.
That is oil. Man, that's making me want some damn pho. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day, that's why.
Me too.
I ate like 2 hot dogs. 2 cuts of hot dogs. Or like each side of my thumb. I haven't had anything in there. I almost said a bad word. You know what? Let's go check out my kanashiboyz real quick. Boom! The fort. Kanashi with the wizard.
My nasty car.
Dang. 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 Hey, but look how nice those headlights are, though.
How much he wants for it.
Oh, yeah.
go take some pictures. Oh my gosh, the lighting looks so bad. But we're gonna go take pictures, and we're gonna go eat after, and we're gonna show. We'll vlog a little bit of it, but we're probably just gonna hang out personally. But yeah, I'll see you guys there. You got it. Whatever.
I don't care.
I'll eat
Kimchi, beef.
We getting cooked on here.
But
What's the drumstick? That's the noodles? Oh, yeah, that's fairly costly.
celery.
I would prefer raw celery.
Yes.
How's the food, Joey?
Man, that food was busting, dude. What you talking about? Brother, what kind of noodles you got, man? No, not bread.
What we just get done doing?
We brought pictures. It's cold, but we looking fly.
Facts.
Fit check, fit check, fit check,
Fit check.
fit check, fit check.
Fit check. Hey, yo, whose car is that over there?
On green.
I think it's a turn light first. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
green.